Hello from Tsukuruma Circuit yet again. I've brought my Roadster here again. This time is not a competition. This time we're here for a thing called Tsukuruma Circuit Matsuri. It's at the end of the year, kind of wrapping up all the stuff with the people from the TCN Drift challenge that we covered. So this time around, I brought the car, and it's finally dry, so I get to test the car in the dry conditions, finally. This time we're going to be testing a new set of tires that I haven't tested before as well. I brought a set of Shiba Tire 380 treadwear tires that I've been very curious about because they were cheap. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this on the car and find out how they do. It's good just to come and hang out with everybody, kind of play with the car, feel out the car in a less stressful environment, just kind of have a good time, and hopefully just, yeah, get that seat time in. And that's really all I can ask for. So that was really hot. Okay, it's fun. I'm having fun. So I got about 2 full sessions worth of running on those tires, and they overall feel pretty good. They're really slippery, but that might be because of the fact that I'm running like 5 bar in them almost. It was recommended to me by a lot of the people here. A lot of people were like, oh yeah, just air up and it'll feel great. And it's a little bit slow, it's a little bit slippery, but honestly it was really good. Being able to catch third on the final corner of the normal direction is actually a lot of fun. Yeah, honestly, I had a pretty good time. I wish I had more tires. You can probably still hear there's still running going on. We're really not even that far into the day. Yeah, I had all my tires killed before noon, which is not the most fun. But I had a great time killing the tires. I had a great time driving my car. The car drives fantastic in the dry, so I am very, very, very happy about that. That's probably gonna be about all we have for today's video because frankly I'm out of tires, so I've gotta get headed home at this point. So I'll talk to you guys next time. The samurai.
Nakakain na ka. Nakakain na ka.